I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your Klarna app is straightforward, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your payment settings. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. In the app, find the payment method section. This is usually located in your account settings or wallet area. Step 3. Add new card. Select the option to add new card. You will be prompted to enter your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Step 4. Verify your card. After entering your card information, Klarna may require you to verify the card. This could involve a small temporary charge or verification code sent to your phone. Step 5. Save changes. Once your card is verified, make sure to save your changes. You should see a confirmation that your debit card has been added successfully. Remember, if you don't see the Add New Card option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Happy shopping!